Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is addressing the issue with her on her date, and she's saying that basically she has no reason to cheat on her boyfriend, and that he's been a great person. She's also saying that she gave him an ultimatum, which is some time to, really start out what he wants to do by the end of the year, basically. So she gave him an ultimatum with that. But she's saying that he's a good person. She would never, cheat on him. However, you're able to talk to other persons because, yeah, she said she's still single. It's not like there's a ring on her finger. And some people do not understand what she's saying, but she's saying that, what, she's able to date other people, but she believes that, you know, when you cross the line, is sleeping with someone else. So she's not doing that, and it's no problem to go out with someone else, but to sleep with someone else, that's a problem, she says. So, guys, go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, yes, I wish you a wonderful day. And remember that you're able to choose whatever relationship you're comfortable with. Because at these times, I mean, it's your life. You have to choose what you're comfortable with in life. So, guys, we'll catch the video. And remember to have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
You understand? I tell me so me can come here anytime. If me even left work, I mean, don't want to stay up on my work, me can come a few house. But me not could do it because me not disrespect my friend. My friend don't do me nothing. I'm not going to dash for sure if you're unsure. Although me not really settle down, but if me see better out there, if me see better man is going to marry to me and me can see make life with him, then I will go for it. I already give my friend ultimate already. Me test me give him until the end of the year. To make up his mind what he want to do. Because bird can't fly upon one wings. Good night, how are you? Reality show of Marcia life. So if better out there where you can try, you find a man who can help you and both of you work together to make a life together. I'm not going to pass up the opportunity once you get to know them. That is it. You can talk to people, but when you cross the line is when you have sex with them. But you can't talk to people because I'm a free single woman, so I'm ring for my finger. I don't know when my friend are doing it up so. He can't do anything when he want to, me them miles away. I don't like me up there, I used to go pick him up from work when his son don't come pick him up or whatever it is and stuff and forth and whatever and so forth. And him take him whatever it is in company, but transportation drop him when if you come on if you drive go work. And give his son in car if you drive. My friend having big vehicle and give him son to drive it. In company bus drop them right down to close to which part him live. So him no need to drive go work. In time give him son him car. If me not have to pick him up, when I go pick him up, it's because me want to go do something for me. So me go pick him up so me have him to do something for me. Me not have to go pick him up. Him have him right to pick him up and him having company bus. We pick them up and drop them up at a point here and him not and it 5 minutes from him house. Him don't have to drive. Me don't know what I talk about. Him don't have to drive because no work if you have company bus. And when company bus drop you and whatever it is, you think the people now can save gas and you can't give your son a car and pick have him ride. So who will pick him up now? Me not did it. Me not did it. You have him right to come pick him up and get and when but guess what? If I am on the road and I call him and I said, listen, he will come and say, you're coming to get me baby. I say, okay, no problem. Because he want to see me. And I say, well, you know, have your son or I will pick you up and said that I want to see you. So you come. So you come. I want to see you. You don't want to see me? And sometimes me on the road and me not ready to go back home yet, to back to my residence. And me there close by. I say, I'm going to pick him up. Let me pick him up from work. I'm there very close. Because sometimes which part me work, which part me stay, him job is sometimes 7 minutes away. So sometimes him pick him up, I'm like 7 minutes away from him. Or if we there Albany, it's like 10, 15 minutes. Some of them know wanna take this thing for. See man interested in me. And no man now carry God in Ra's house unless they like you like that. Much less. If you go meet them daughter and mama, move on a blood clot from you. Move on yourself from you. Man is still interested. And him now look upon none of you in a careless clothes. Him say him not chat to no girl where wear careless clothes. Eye exposures. Him looking for modern people and whatever it is. Him not look upon nobody. Him used to them or something there. So me not wanna come and chat about show off with man. Show off work on a rass man. Yeah? I wanna think, say, tree a growing on my face. Me a bumbo clot attractive girl. I wanna talk about me put on my clothes, please. Me is a entertainer. Suppose see people where last night when me did their dance, me little dancing. Or a woman or a guy did it. A peer smile upon their face. When me did their do me little dance in the video. And I do my little fool dance in them. Me not have to go out with nobody. I don't have to go out with nobody to enjoy myself. No man can promise me nothing and tell me, say, Marcia, I'm coming to carry out and don't come. From me, see them not come here about my business myself. Because I not go out with nobody unless me I'm in no pocket. And if a man invite me up on a date, I ain't going until I have my money to pay for my food. Because these men nowadays, you have to be wise. Some of them carry out for dinner, they want to touch you up. Indication. Then we even hand the table rub your leg. Or them start hold your hand and take them, make them finger tickling your hand mickle. Those are indication. They want sex in different ways. Or them did their chow hard that touch you up and want hug you up and kiss you up and I give you a kiss and I hug you close, want hug every minute. Because them carry out for dinner. Not a bumbo clot like that. Because me feisty. Me a pay for my food and me a walk out of that blood clot left you. You understand? So you know say show me feisty. I me give this a man a very hard time. You hear me tell him? A real woman. You hear me tell him? Me now come over your house. Because remember say, which part me there? Him there 5 minutes from me. So when me left, me could have got him house, because me now work until 3, 4 o'clock today. So me never have to come back at work. But me have my dignity and my pride, and me, first of all, I am a faithful person to somebody who me I talk to. My friend don't give me no reason right now for giving bun. Unless me see, he might give me cheese. Laddie. Yeah? If me never like my friend badly, then it would be, if me and him was having problem, then him fart, you know. Yes, he's an RN nurse. I say I go to school for radiologists too and other things. To do some other stuff, anesthesia, pan it. You want to be an anesthesiologist. So let me tell you something. You can't say things that people don't like me. And first of all, he's not on Facebook to watch me. If that's on Facebook, for hear me bullshit where I go on. You understand? I'm sure no say, even if you hear bullshit I go on, he still like the same way. That because I said to him, say I'm on Facebook, you watch me. Say no, I don't watch you. Because I don't have time for Facebook. I'm not a Facebook person. You hear me no? Yeah, that's very good. That is very good. So I don't understand how no little unhappy woman come and write up things all the while. Then me alone go out and share pictures? Why is it if me go out and share pictures with my date I me share a little food. Look how me share picture on social media. Go on social media, look at the amount of food that me share. Oh, me I show off. Show off with what? How many Red Lobsters and Olive Garden dinners are on my page? How many restaurants are on my page before I met this man? How many movies are on my page with me got a movie by myself? How many dinners? How many Red Lobster? Everybody knows say yeah, Marcia take out herself. How many other restaurants during the winter have I been in and sit down by myself in a white people area? Eh? How many places have I gone to? So how me showing off myself? And it's not the first time you and I have been going out. And the first time me and him go eat food and post picture. No, these people are serious. Then all comes when uno carry out for people, whether man, woman, sister, brother, whatever, no go celebrate. Now everybody a dash out where them a dash out. Then what make me that? Then how is it that me now too old? And that's the partner, you know. Me too old for you talk about man. What me no blood clot old? Me a 51. Me just in my prime. Me no old. Me sound old to you. Me sound old to you. Eh? Look how much years me tell us I have before me can go file for social security benefit. 16 more years. Not 1, not 2, not 3. A decade and a half. So you can't call me old. Because people just buy a house down in them 60s. Them just have, do you come at Jimmy Starkey? Come to Jimmy Starkey. Last night, one lady celebrated her 67th birthday or 69th birthday or 60 something. Suppose go at Jimmy Starkey Grown and Sexy Sunday and see the age group them were in there and see how them blood clot hot. Look how them hot. A pure sexiness a go on. Una young girl don't have nothing pan them the people there. A pure sexy outfit them have on and nice up clothes and look good for them age. Because I think a lady was celebrating her birthday last night. She's like 67. She don't look it. Like 67 or 68. She don't look it. Then me see her dance. I go all the way down to the floor. One at a time somebody a challenge her. The selector somebody. I said, Betty dance I go on the floor. She go went all the way down. Nobody not have the time to call up themselves. Me look like say me sound like a 51-year-old. I don't think so. Me know say me sound like a 35. So how is it all of a sudden me must go stay with my gran? What you want me to do? Turn into one fly and fly go to South Carolina? Me talk to my grandbaby over the phone. So me want to know if I fly, me supposed to fly. Go down to North Carolina. Let me see if me get him here too. Let me see if me get him. Let me see if she maybe she probably even gonna work. Let me see if me get him. See if me get Papi. Okay. Maybe she probably there at work. Everything we not talk about go spend time with gran. Like say me whole. Good evening. When you get this message, give me a call. Let me see my grandson, please. And let me know if you received the box. Yeah. Oh, Tavada. I'm bright. Bright. Me call brother from man. Me there chat. Give it no. No bomb clock. But make yourself happy. You look like smile that if you get a little dick in about 10 years. Uh-huh. Oh, Tavada. I'm bright. Let me check for my brother. Hey, what's up? You all right? So how is the kids? So how is the kids? How are the kids them? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Me know say it gonna be hard. So how is everything going? When is the funeral? The 27th? Which part Sherberry? Here or Atlanta? Or New York? Okay. All right, well send us the detail. Eh? Oh, which part you get married? Right over so? Okay. Me 27. Mm-hmm. Yeah, me know up to Spring Valley. Yeah, okay. All right, me have to go. How long when you come up, you just did it for a couple of days, right? I saw quick school out back in July. Wow. Okay, so how long you spend? So me try to see if we can take off some days to come up. Uh-huh. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so me take off the Friday and the Saturday. Okay. Okay. All right, so yeah, just let me see if me find one hotel up there close. Me say when you send the detail, me say me find one hotel close by. Yeah. Okay, well, let me know so me can see if me get a discount for them for one hotel. If there's any Marriott hotel they close by. Yes, I'm gonna drive. Yeah, man, me I drive. Come up. Yeah, yeah, man. Don't me, no, yeah, definitely me have to drive. How long it is from New York again? About an hour and 40 minutes from New York to come up to Spring Valley. Me I come from Queens. About 45 minutes. Me no remember and I used to live up there. Me not remember. Me think about a hour and 45 minutes. Yeah.